Hey, what's up, family? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I have another website, where you can earn like money, like just by liking other people's photos and stuff. So I'll leave a link in the description for this site, and make sure you have like a PayPal in order for you to cash out on this site. So if you are new on this site, you wanna just click on sign up stuff. Just scroll down. So basically I'm gonna show you how this works and stuff. So how everywhere works and stuff. So Henry reward for uploads and votes and stuff, and number two, sign up with the email only. So like you must have like email, stuff. So number three, shop at your favorite retailers. So that's a time start shopping vouchers and stuff, and PayPal and Uber Eats, like depend on you and stuff. So number four, grow your earnings with our community. So yeah, that's how it works. So what to get started by clicking on the green or red emojis. Yeah, I think yeah. So I'm gonna click on what is green or red. So let me just click on dislike and stuff and see. Okay. Alright, so now I'm gonna scroll down and stuff. Okay, so I know for your tenant bonus, limited time only. So make sure you click that link to get this free 10 rand. So you can sign up with Google and stuff, or you can use your email or set up a password and just click you accept the terms and condition and then register and redeem now. So like I do have an account, so I'm gonna already remember. Yeah, I'm gonna sign to my Google email. Okay, now I'm on the dashboard of this site now. So my loads. So like if you see like duplicated, it's basically that is I click like on a link twice. Let's say maybe this adds up here today, and then you click on like, and then on another day, and then this adds up here, and then you click on dislike, and then they're gonna uh say it's duplicated and stuff. There must be like new ads every day and stuff. So yeah, so don't mind it's duplicated and stuff. Yeah, there's a lot duplicated. There's a lot duplicated. Oh, this is rewarded. Duplicated rewarded. So yeah, that's how this website works. So right now I have like 118 point and stuff. So you can upload like your photos and stuff. So right now I've uploaded, then whenever people like your photo and stuff, you earn like any photos, guys. Like you can go to Google, uh download your photos, and then come here and paste it here, and then that's free money. That's free money, guys. And then yeah, this is my photos here. Yeah. You can go to Google and download any photo, but it has to be like quality photos and stuff. Yeah, any photos like. So I'm gonna go through my resume. Yeah, I'll show you how to end here. So you see these videos I have been like, so there's no rating and green party, and so yeah, I haven't like, so I'm gonna choose whether I like or dislike. So for the sake of this video, let me just click on like, even though I don't like it, but yeah, and then I end like point stuff, and then I'm gonna go through to the next photo and stuff and see, and then the next video like I'm in here, I'm doing this and stuff. So yeah, this is how you can like and dislike a video you end and stuff, or you can upload your own photo and then people gonna like a photo, dislike a photo. That is how it works. So right about now I'm gonna just click on redeem rewards, so you can redeem like shopping voucher and stuff, PayPal. So if you have like accumulated like 40 point, and then that's $2, and then you can withdraw to PayPal. So I'll leave a link on the description for PayPal. So if you don't have a PayPal, you kind of like sign up through the link on the description and stuff. So if you have like 99, you can collect through. So you can cash out through your PayPal and stuff. So right now I have like 118.30. So I think I'm gonna redeem that, and then airtime, so 20 rand airtime. So right about now I need to collect this $5 to my PayPal account and stuff, and show you guys this site is legit. It's legit. This site, I think I've cashed out like many times. Let me just show you here so yeah, I don't see here road history. Okay, let me just, yeah, I'm gonna collect this $5 through my PayPal account. So let me just click on collect as. Yes, collect your state of your account. You will receive an email from PayPal with a claim link in it. Please note, claim link will expire after 30 days. PayPal account is this one, and then redeem now. Congratulations everywhere. What is in all this way? So yeah, it's still pending. Okay, so it might take a while for PayPal to process our payout. Please come back and check later. So yeah, guys, I've cashed out. So let me just quickly show you. Let me just refresh. So right now I have like 19 point. What damn. Okay, now I'm gonna go quickly through my email and see. Okay, I'm gonna just, so yeah, and right now I'm in my email. So now it's 10:04. So let me click on service. Boom. Reward from freeway.com. Freeway.com send you $5 USD reward. Yeah, freeway.com. Enjoy reward $5 and stuff. So yeah, guys, that's how it works. Just by liking other people's photos and stuff. Whether you like it or dislike, it's still gonna end and stuff. So make sure you share this video like to your loved one that's gonna need, you know, this search and stuff. So yeah, I'll see you on the next video, guys. So make sure you like the video and comment and stuff if you have any question and stuff. And yeah, subscribe. I'll see you on the next video, guys. Bye.